still have this baby. This is kids and grown-ups. For anyone really. Teenagers are grown-ups, so well, they're kids and grown-ups. They're tweenagers. So I recommend this much water if you run out of water. So you might have to try a couple times. That's why. So you hold your breath. And then soon they'll go away. Bye guys.